In this review, we will be discussing in details about the Epson WorkForce WF-2860 printer. This review was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Printer ever present Epson WorkForce WF-2860 printer review.
Introducing the Epson WorkForce WF-2860 all-in-one printer, powered by Precision Core, the full-featured high-quality printer that's ideal for your home office. Epson Precision Core technology with genuine Claria ink delivers laser-quality performance with crisp black text for professional quality proposals, reports, and brochures. Its compact space-saving design makes it the perfect fit for your office. It drives productivity with its 150-sheet paper tray, plus a convenient 30-page auto document feeder for efficient copying and scanning. Ink management is simple with affordable individual cartridges that allow you to only replace the cartridge that runs out. Enjoy easy navigation with its 2.4-inch color touchscreen. The WF-2860 features auto two-sided printing, which can help reduce your paper consumption. It makes mobile printing easy from your phone or tablet and allows network-free printing via Wi-Fi Direct and NFC touch-to-print capability, plus Ethernet. It helps you get through tasks more quickly with fast print speeds. And it does all this while consuming less power, up to 70% less power than laser printers. Packed with productivity features, the Epson WorkForce WF-2860 delivers high-quality results and powerful performance to your home office. Epson. Exceed your vision.
The Epson WF-2860 represents the third generation of this patented business-centric AIO, with the WF-2760 being its most recent predecessor. The new model measures 10 by 19.8 by 16.4 inches and weighs 14.6 pounds, which makes it about an inch taller than the WF-2760, though both models weigh the same. The WF-2860 is about an inch larger in all directions than the HP6978, though the latter is about 3 pounds lighter. The slightly more expensive Canon Maxify MB2720 wireless home office all-in-one printer, another of our favorite AIOs, on the other hand, is a few inches taller and longer and weighs an additional 11 pounds. Smaller by a few inches in all directions than the WF-2860 and the other previously mentioned models is Brother's MFC J7750W. Even so, all these entry-level AIOs are small enough to fit on most desktops comfortably. There's only one paper input sources on the WF-2860 in the form of a 150-sheet cassette that slides out from the front of the printer. Its automatic document feeder ADF holds 30 letter-sized document pages or 10 legal-sized pages. The ADF is not auto-duplexing, meaning that to scan both sides of two-sided pages, you will have to turn them over manually to scan the second side. You can, however, print two-sided pages automatically. The Epson WF-2860's maximum monthly duty cycle is 5,000 pages with a recommended print volume of 800 pages. The HP6978 sports both larger paper capacity and monthly duty cycle. You can configure the WF-2860 as well as set up and initiate print, copy, scan and fax jobs from its 2.4-inch color touchscreen, which aside from the Help, Home and NFC buttons comprises the entire control panel. You can also set up and initiate various connectivity and cloud services from the printer's onboard website. Please check the product link below the description and subscribe to our channel for more updates.